So I'm going to get one of these cute little jars that they have in Dollar Tree. And I'm going to place some chocolate in there. But you could put any gift that you would like inside. I'm just giving you an idea. So then I'm going to go ahead and close it down. Then I'm going to take some floral funk. And I'm going to cut it into a piece that it will fit there. If it doesn't fit, just go ahead and cut it out. And then place it in there. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach it into place just like that. But I think it was a little bit tall. So I'm just going to take some extra off like that to make it smaller. After that, go ahead and put your toothpick in your flowers and you're going to place it inside and you're going to do different colors here. You could place any flower that you guys would like. I'm just doing these colors. Then I'm going to take my balloons and place it in the middle like that and then put more flour to cover the whole thing up like that. Then I went ahead and I'm going to take this paper clear one and I'm going to attach it to the top like that. You could put paper or you could do it without it. This is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and easy that you guys can do at home. And then you could place a watch inside, a ring, or whatever you're going to give your mother. You could place it in the little jars as well. You could place money or candy. And this is how it looks without the paper. Either way, I think it's super cute and easy, something fast that you can do for your mom. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of these little they're like picture frame from Dollar Tree. I just like the way it looks. You don't have to use this one. You could use papers or any paper that you see and wrap it around, but I like this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a knife and take it out. So the way you do it, just place it inside, just move it like that, and then just go ahead and pull it out like that. It's pretty simple. It comes out simple. So I'm gonna continue doing that like that. And the one in the middle is also, it comes out so fast and easy. So then after you take everything out of the frame, just go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna grab my glass and I'm going to measure it to see if it fit, and it does. So I'm gonna, you see where it has the little line right there? I'm just gonna go ahead and take my scissor and start cutting it out like that. Then I'm gonna take my hot glue and put some in the top, and then I'm gonna place the paper on top, and I'm going to attach the top of the paper like that. Then go ahead and attach it on the side all the way around it as well. Then after that, flip it around and cut the extra pieces that you have. Then take your hot glue and put some hot glue on the glass, and then just fold the paper to the glass like that, and that's gonna hold it into place like that. Then you're gonna need another one of this one just to cover the other part. So just measure and cut it to whatever size you need to cover the back. Then I'm gonna take some flour, place it inside. After you fix your flowers, I'm gonna take some floral foam that I forgot to place inside, so make sure you do that before you place the flower. And then I'm gonna take this candy, put my stick, and I'm gonna attach it, like place it inside like that on the flower. Just place a few of them around it. I'm gonna do some color flowers as well, and I'm also going to do my balloon, but I'm gonna cut it so it could be a smaller size and that doesn't be as taller. Then just go ahead and place it in the middle. Then I'm gonna take this cute little teddy bear. It's like a little llama. Put some double-sided tape and hold it to the balloon. Then go ahead and grab your paper and attach it in here. You could put more candy in here, not just as little as I did. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. And the good thing about this one, so they can use the jars to to place flowers after they done with the eating the candy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Neri, and I hope you guys like it.